Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, how to fix an air tool, specifically an air powered impact wrench. This is the problem. It just bleeds the air out, doesn't turn. So what we're going to do is take it apart and see if we can fix it. Let's disassemble it. I've decided to do this in the office. Maybe this is going to turn into a colossal mistake, but we'll see. Things could get messy, so I'm going to wear a pair of gloves. Only joking. So first of all, I'm going to take the oil out of it. So I'm just going to pull the oil out. Nothing's coming out. So that's the screws out. They look a little bit rusty, but it's to be expected. This gun is probably, it's got to be 10 years old. I'll try and lay down everything as it comes out. Got the bearings here. It looks okay. So that comes out like so. Okay, this comes out like so. Okay, so we've got this unit comes out like so. So it's facing down and there's a hole here for the pin. Do we have anything else in there? We've got another bearing in there. I don't want to damage it too much. Maybe. Okay. Whoa. So there is a lot of oil in there. And then we come to the hammer. So we've got pins here that move back and forth. Looks like there's some crud at the bottom. That looks good enough. I'm going to use motor oil as a lubricant. I've been using compressor oil in it, and maybe that was where I was going wrong. Okay, so it just goes in the one way basically. Okay, and now we come to the money. So this goes in like so, but we've got these fins that come out of here. They look very dirty, so let's give them a clean. So that's that. Let me just give it a spray and a brush. Close enough. I'm going to put the sleeve in next. Sorry, I have to do that off camera to line this up. So we've got all that back in. Now we need the other bearing. I just want to avoid the bearing with the brake cleaner. And we just need to line this up with the pin. So that's all that back together. But you know, I've just realized I put this in back to front. And I'm just going to bolt it back together now. Let me just clean these bolts. So I found a syringe. And I'm just going to fill it now with some oil. 3 milliliters should be enough. So, moment of truth. That's it. Much better than what it was before. Well, before it wasn't working at all. Now, it seems pretty strong. I'm going to call that a huge win, guys. As always, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you again next time.